Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. I got the game a couple days ago, and this is my best guy, so I'm going to use him. I'm going to play a couple rounds. I'll do 3, so yeah. Oh, and also make sure to like and subscribe to be certified epic. Yeah. I actually, if basically once you subscribe to someone, I heard that if you subscribe to someone, you become certified epic. So yeah, I subscribed to some random dude, and yeah, I became certified epic. So yeah, do that. Ah. Okay, what's the point of this? Of these super sneakers when I have the jetpack? Well, the jetpack runs out quicker, so yeah, that's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna use these super sneakers still. Yeah. I wish the magnet below the super sneakers actually was better and it collected like every lane, just like the normal magnet. I don't really know why, I just wish. Yeet! Please, thank you. I have a lot of coins actually. Yeet! Please. I have 505 coins. I feel like that would, like 500 coins would be for the coin counter thing. But of course it isn't. Okay, I did not expect that. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be helpful because, yeah, that's all I got to do. Ooh. Nah. I have so many coins. Jeez Louise. No! Oh, I was so far. Oh man. I got a new high score. Yes. Okay. Mystery Maestro. Nice. Let's see. How many more rounds? I'll do one more round. I was just checking the time. Okay, maybe. Never mind. Okay, jetpack almost all right away. Yes, that's good. Also, I was trying to get the coin counter award. That's why I was going for so much coins. For like my thing. Also, I'm gonna buy an upgrade in this video. Wait, isn't it? Oh yeah, I forgot. If you run into a bush, it doesn't kill you if it doesn't have anything on it. And go for the magnet so I can collect everything. Boom. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Ah! I don't even know what I hit. No! What? Okay, time to go buy an upgrade. Not the jetpacks, it's the ×2 multiplier. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.